Downsize My Home came in and unpacked everything and put it almost exactly in the places where it was in the old home. So when I came into my new home, it looked just like it was in my old home. It was marvelous. It was like old homecoming. And what was best of all is that I got to sleep in my own bed, all made up, just perfect. It was excellent. It was dynamite. I would recommend Downsize My Home to absolutely anyone, whether they are young, average age, or older age. They do such a dynamite job. It is just incredible. It was a delight to watch them work, that I was totally amazed at how well each of them knew what they needed to do and did it. And they were efficient and just excellent. So yes, I would strongly recommend